The items you need are 2 strong paper cups, a piece of string that is at least 12 feet long, scissors, sharp pencil, and a friend. First you use the sharp pencil to make holes in the bottom of the cups. Then push the string through each hole. Next tie a knot in each end of the string inside the cups. The knots must be bigger than the holes. Now ask a friend to take on cup and move far enough away to make the string tight. One person should talk in their cup while the other person holds their cup to their ear. Speaking makes the string vibrate. Vibrations travel along the string. Vibrations are turned back into sound by the cup. Why does this happen? This happens because sound waves travel through solid objects better than they do through the air. Speaking into a cup makes it vibrate, which makes the string vibrate in turn. The vibrations travel along the string to the other cup, which vibrates and reproduces the sound.